Hello guys, well I've had a little scramble along the beach and I've been told over here in these huts there's some smoked fish huts they are. So I'm going to go over and have a little look, see what I can find for tea. Hi guys, bit windy down here by the sea, but we've gone to get ourselves some smoked haddock. Was it, Karen? Smoked haddock. What we're going to do tonight, we're going to make a kedgeree. So later on we're going to get some eggs, we're going to get some rice, we'll probably get some mushrooms, some onions, some peas and sweet corn, cook it all up and have a nice kedgeree. Also, I've bought myself some cockles. Cockles by the sea. Can't beat it. Happy days. Here we are, we've moved up the coast just a little bit and we're at Southwell. Lovely place, lovely little pier there. Time for a coffee. Now we've just walked down past the pier and we've found this little gem. Lots of little stalls up the top selling ice creams and things, and there's this little, well I think now it's a duck pond, but I think it used to be a boating lake, and we got this little tea room over here. Lovely little gardens. Right, lovely little find. Ordered a couple of coffees and sat on the side was a sausage roll with marmalade in it. Never had a sausage roll with marmalade. If any of you guys out there have ever had one, let me know. I don't know if it's something they just do on the East Coast or something, but I'll let you know how I get on with it. So I'll catch you later. Oh, also, do you like my new T5 app? Love it, eBay. So here we have it. A sausage roll with a marmalade centre. Never had this before. Served with some salad and what's we got here? And some brown sauce. Not sure if I want the brown sauce. I just want to get the flavour of this sausage roll. So let's cut into it and see what it's all about inside. Yeah. I think it's just, I think just the ends are coated in the marmalade, but let's have a go and see what it's like. Well, here it goes. Well, it's a very nice sausage roll, but I think just the ends have been dipped in the marmalade just to make it very sweet. But I don't know, never had one before, not bad. If you've ever had one, let me know.